Greetings everyone, it's Michael Anastasiadis here, mortgage advisor from Bosanoff Mortgages, coming to you live with your weekly mortgage and interest rate update. It's a terrible evening here in Wellington where I am. It's raining quite heavily, so I'm here next to my old icon here and mentor, Tony Montana. And good news, look at that, some more drops. Finally, we've got a drop in the 6-month rate. I saw today one bank offering 6.79 for 6 months. One of the best from the big banks that I've seen. 1 year rate, 6.29. And really the rest, not really interested in, because I just don't know why you would be fixing in for so long when look at these rates. That 1 year rate just over a month ago was 6.85. Now look at it, 6.25. I wouldn't be surprised if that 1 year rate's got a 5 in it in a few months' time. So definitely make sure you're getting that right advice before you lock in a rate. Does someone want to say hello? No, she's run away. So there you are, guys. Thought I'd share that with you. So finally we've had a little reduction in the 6-month rate from one of the big banks. So if you've got a loan that's coming up for refixing, now's the time to be talking, so we can help you to get that advice. Come on, if you're going to come on and say interrupt the live video, you've got to talk about these interest rates. So there we are, guys. So 6 months, 6.79, and the 1 year 6.29. So and like I've got there, those other rates, 18 months and beyond, everything now has got a 5 in front of them. I wouldn't be surprised by the end of the year, like I was saying, if that 1 year rate's got a 5 in front of it and the 4 and 5 year rates have a 4. So things are dropping. Now I've made a note here because we're going to be a little bit out of sync when the next OCR review happens, which is on the 9th of October, because a week later on the 16th of October, that's when we've got the CPI, the inflation data figures coming out. So if that's within that 3% band, which it will be, that's when the Reserve Bank was originally saying they were going to cut. So depending what that inflation figure's like a week later, we could have seen bigger cuts. And that's why economists are saying that the November OCR announcement could be quite significant, depending what's released by Stats New Zealand on that 16th of October. But it looks like we might be getting another cut on the 9th of October from what we've been hearing, but we just got to wait and see. Because, guys, I bring you what I see and hear every day, facts. So that's why you watch this channel, to get this information. So like I was saying, if you've got a loan that's coming up for renewal, please, pretty please make sure you get that right advice for you and your circumstances so you can make the best decision. I have seen some people that have locked in for 3 years when the rate was 5.99. Not something I was recommending. And look at all those rates now. Within a few months, they've already dropped. So there you are. In terms of mortgages, same criteria. The banks are still, yeah, not bad. There she is. There's my helper, in case you're wondering what's going on here. So in case of the banks and mortgages, they're quite busy at the moment. Their turnaround times have increased. So they're busy with application. We're getting lots of clients also wanting to get pre-approved. A lot of first home buyers. So it looks like it'll be a busy spring in Wellington. Not the numbers that we're used to seeing, but it is an increase in what we've had in the past. So that'll be interesting for spring. And pretty much that's it. Anything else to say? Anything else to say, Sophia? No, nothing else to say. I'm going to sign off. This has been a bit of a interesting video, but I wanted to share those rates, and I'll keep sharing them with you. Especially, we hope to see some of the other big banks drop that 6-month rate. Anyway, guys, take care. Hope you have a great evening. Stay warm, stay dry, wherever you are, And I'll leave you with my good friend there, Tony Montana.